Hey loves, and welcome back to HolleyWood Consulting. If you're new here, welcome. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe so you can stay up to date on all of our newest videos and business tips. Today, we're actually going to be getting into the new Shopify 26 edition and one of the features that will actually give your store a mini ops manager. Yes, I said it, a mini ops manager. Their new AI assistant called Sidekick is here to make sure that your store runs smoother than your favorite playlist. But don't worry, it's not scary AI that's here to take over. It's smart, helpful, and intuitive, and it helps you focus on the bigger picture without sweating all the small stuff. So, what exactly is Sidekick? Let me break it down. Think of it as your junior operations manager. Not an intern learning on the job, not a motivational speaker saying you can do it. An actual operations manager that looks at your store's real data and says, here's what's working, here's what's not, and here's what I do to fix it. Picture yourself at a pop-up shop, overwhelmed, trying to track the customers and the inventory. Sidekick is that wise friend whispering the top 3 things you need to fix it, saving you from chaos and giving you direction. Here's why this is a game changer. You can literally ask Sidekick, why are people abandoning my checkout? Which product should I push next? Or where's my bottleneck in sales? And unlike that cousin that just knows computers, it actually analyzes the data and gives you answers that actually make sense. Most of us small business owners don't need more ideas or don't need to bounce things off. We have plenty ideas. What we need is clarity, direction, and a plan that doesn't make us lose sleep. And this new assistant, Sidekick, helps with that. Sidekick goes above just answering your questions. It can also help you with building automations and creating custom tools using plain language. Yes, that means no more coding, no more calling your techie person, no more calling customer service. You can literally tell Sidekick what you want and it can help you make it happen. This is powerful because automation saves you time, reduces errors, and lets you focus on strategy instead of busy work. And if you're like me, anything that saves time is a win. Let's make this real. Imagine your checkout rate is dropping. Normally, you spend hours staring at spreadsheets and wondering what went wrong. Sidekick analyzes your checkout data, shows you exactly where customers are leaving, and even suggests fixes. You implement those suggestions, and guess what? Fewer abandoned carts, more revenue, and peace of mind. That's the power of systems that actually support you. So the biggest takeaway here is that Sidekick is your AI operations manager, giving you clarity, saving you time, and helping your store run smarter. And if your Shopify store feels chaotic, it's not you, it's the systems that you have in place. Sidekick is here to help fix that. And if you want a deeper dive on how to implement Sidekick into your store, leave a comment or DM us. We've tested this in multiple stores and can show you exactly how to make it work for you. Remember, systems make confidence louder, love. Keep it smart, keep it strategic, and keep it moving.